my name is Simon. I think I'm calling you because you had shown interest in the upcoming real estate agents networking meeting that's happening on 21st August at Skyview Opal.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing, I am reaching out personally to everyone who had shown interest in being part of the first meeting, because this is a meeting that we are doing to give real estate agents an opportunity to network with other trusted real estate agents, a chance to get more leads for the properties that they are having, a chance to build different kind of partnerships, and ultimately open real estate agents to different kinds of opportunities. Even encouraging learning, sharing ideas, mtu asikae peke yake kwa industry. So this is a community we are trying to build, and I hope it's something that you could be interested in.
I'm interested.
Mm-hmm.
You say which time did it take place?
So this meeting is happening on 21st of August this month. It's on a Friday. Kuna wacha hii Friday, it's 21st of August. It's happening from Skyview Opal Hotel from 9 to 12:30 p.m.
Okay.
We are aiming to keep this meeting at around 20 to 30 people so that each agent gets to interact with a few people. We don't want a big meeting, because in a big meeting inakuwa like a crowd and people don't really connect. So we are trying to keep the group small, around like 30 professionals. So if you come and interact with like 5 people, you can build deeper relationship with the 5 people. Do meeting ikiwa 100, you won't have a chance to like speak to many people, but watu wakiwa kidogo, you can interact with people ndani ndani. Now, at least utatoka knowing 2 or 3, 5 people, and if those people translate to a deal between now and before the year ends, you see it will be time well spent.
Okay, let us do this.
Mm-hmm.
Wacha niangalie programu yangu.
Mm-hmm.
I'll call you back.
No problem.
21st.
But can I put you tentatively?
You can, but let me first of all look the schedule. I don't know whether 21st. Okay. Utajali. We can talk later.
Sawa, wacha niweke tentatively, but we can.
You sijafika kwa ofisi.
Mm-hmm.
Let me before I put it a place.
Mm-hmm.
Let me first of all nifike kwa ofisi and then I'll call you later.
That should be fine.
Thank you, my brother.
Asante sana.
We talk later.
Asante Njoroge.
Thank you.
Bye.
Nambari unayopiga kwa sasa imezimwa. Tafadhali jaribu tena baadaye.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Simon. I'm calling you because we are in the Thika Road group together. We are in the Thika Road Realtors Roundtable group together.
Oh yes.
I'm calling you because I think you had shown interest in joining the meeting that is coming on 21st of August, where we are bringing real estate agents together for a morning of networking, sharing leads and partnerships, and just opening up to different opportunities.
Oh yes, I had shown some interest.
Yes. So I'm just calling to personally reach out, invite you, and also answer any questions that you may have. I hope I can take a minute to tell you what the meeting is about.
Yes, just take me through.
Okay, so our first meeting is happening on 21st. We are having a branch at Skyview Opaliko hapo Kamakis from 9 to 12 p.m. We are aiming to keep this meeting for around 30 agents or so because we want people to get to know each other. We are not looking for a big group. We are looking for a small group. We don't want to have this like a crowd. And the reason why we are doing this is because one of the biggest advantages an agent can have is having a strong and reliable network of other agents that you probably trust and can be able to work with.
Yes.
You need a network of people who can refer clients to you and people that you can comfortably refer your client to them. Kama property yenye wanauza ina fit what your customer have.
What the customer wants.
The customer wants. So that's why we are trying to not just do a one-day meeting, but create a community over time of agents working along Thika Road that actually get to know and support each other. Not just another WhatsApp group or go in for a seminar where someone comes and just keeps talking. Apana. We want to build a community where we can be able to do more biashara together and build relationships over a long term. That's basically the idea for that meeting. But of course, even sharing knowledge and learning from each other is something that we are hoping to build that community to be able to do.
I think it is a good idea.
Okay.
So you said on 21st August?
On 21st of August, yes.
Okay.
It's on Friday. We are making it on a weekday because we find so many people having like a field visit over the weekend on wanaenda site. So we are putting it on Friday and for half a day so that even if a customer calls, you can still take them to view a property in the afternoon.
So
I hope you'll be able to come.
Okay, I'll keep your contact. I think we will discuss more before 21st.
Definitely. Eric. From the meeting, what would you be wanting to pick from the meeting?
Can I call you back?
Uko mahali hatuwezi ongea? Ni sawa, Eric. But I hope to see you then.
Sawa.
Asante, thanks so much.
Sawa, karibu.
Bye. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Simon. I'm calling you because you had shown interest in attending the Thika Road Roundtable meeting for real estate agents. I hope you have a minute. Now, the reason that I'm calling is because I want to personally extend the invitation to you and also explain why we are doing the meeting. I hope that's okay with you. Now, so why we are doing this meeting, we've been doing this meeting for real estate agents in other areas, Westlands, Kangudo Road. But I realized because personally I deal on Thika Road, I also want to have around me a network of people who I can be able to refer clients to and people who can also send clients my way. And that's why we are planning that meeting on 21st of August. It's at Skyview Opal, ni hapo Kamakis ukipita tu Naivas kidogo. We are aiming to have a meeting of around 20 to 30 real estate agents so that we can be able to spend more time together. Watutaki watu wengi. We are aiming for a small group because the big numbers don't work well. We want to create a forum where you can really be able to get to know each other, get to know the other agents closely. Because unaona real estate, you are dealing with a lot of money, so you need to work with people who you really know. Si kama mtu anauza mboga ama mkate, you really want to know who the other person is. So ukituma client to buy property worth millions, you need to be sending your properties to someone you really know and someone that you really trust. But of course, around the same time, we expect during the meeting, other than just networking and learning from each other, we want to also learn and share our experiences, because hakuna mtu anajua kila kitu. So that's basically it. It's not a seminar, it's not a training, it's a discussion between real estate agents, people who are actually in the field, people who are actually doing the work, so that we can learn from each other. Badala ya see theory, it's practical by other agents who are in the field, just sharing their experiences and learning from each other. The meeting is 9 to 12:30. It's with chai, so that we don't network on an empty stomach.
And before attending, what are the other requirements? The requirements may be needed for someone who wants to attend.
So the requirement to attend one, we are looking for people who can buy into the idea of the importance of networking. So at least someone who believes in networking, that's one requirement. Second requirement is someone who is trustworthy and professional. We don't want to just have anybody in the meeting. We want people who are trustworthy, who are professional. And because we are going to a hotel, we need to be able to buy chai and snacks. So there will be a cost of 1,500, so that at least we can be able to pay for the hotel. And we are working with the assumption that for someone who pays, they come get 3 or 5 people to network with. That cost will pay for itself.
Okay.
Ni hivyo tu, there is nothing else major, hakuna any other registration, any other requirement, ni hivyo tu.
Okay.
And just to give you an idea of the day, we should be starting at around 9 a.m. We'll do breakfast, we'll have introductions, then we'll have like proper discussions around agents after the introduction, what you're experiencing in the industry, what challenges we are facing, what opportunities that are there that we can take advantage of. And as we do all this, we'll have chances to network, get to know each other, answer questions. There are people with questions around how do we market properties, how do we register, how do we protect ourselves. So we should be able to answer the bulk of most of these concerns during that meeting.
Okay. No problem, sir. Thank you. Simon?
My name is Simon.
Let me text WhatsApp.
Sawa, that should be fine, Onyango. Have a good one. But you can text me on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Asante sana. Hi, good afternoon.
To you?
My name is Simon. I'm calling you because we are in the same WhatsApp group, Thika Road Roundtables group. And the reason I'm calling is because you had showed interest in attending the upcoming Realtors Networking meeting. I hope you have a minute, sir.
When will it be held?
21st of August. It's in like 3 weeks' time. It will be at Skyview Opal from 9 to 12:30. We are aiming to keep this meeting to around 30 people or so. Keep the meeting small so that we can be able to have deeper interactions with each other.
Okay.
And the reason why we are doing this is because we understand as an agent why you need to have a good and a trusted network of professionals that you can be able to rely on.
Yeah.
We hope now to build our network, share knowledge with each other, but most importantly, build a community.
Okay.
We have a community mwenye you trust this person. If they have a property, you are confident sending a client. And even if you market that property, you uko sure your money is safe.
It's a genuine business.
Na we want people wenye wanajua hii biashara and people who are serious.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of community we want to create.
Okay.
And we also want to have a forum where we can be able to just meet and share information with each other. We learn from each other. You know, iron sharpens iron. Hakuna mtu anajua kila kitu. So that's the kind of thing we are hoping to do. It's not a seminar like someone coming to talk to us. Apana. No one is coming to talk to us. It's us talking to each other, learning from each other, discussing and sharing ideas.
Okay.
I hope it's something you would be open to.
Yeah, I'm open to. I don't know whether I'll be around, but I'll see.
But nikuweke tentatively.
Yeah, niweke tentatively. Because there is an upcoming event we are not ready enough to attend. We are not yet to confirm the date.
Oh. No problem.
So I'll confirm before the days are over.
That would be perfect.
Okay.
What's your good name, sir?
George.
Okay.
Yeah.
George, I'll follow up with you over time.
Yeah.
Ndio tuonane hiyo siku. I'm really looking forward to having a reliable network that I can also work with.
Sawa.
I appreciate you so much, George.
Okay, thank you too.
Okay, bye-bye.